Hello. If you want to learn Japanese anime with us, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now.
Hello, I'm Blaine.
And I'm Kerwin. We're your hosts of the Izuku Japanese channel, where you can learn to speak Japanese quickly and easily, some Japanese culture, and now you can talk anime with us. In this episode, we'll be talking about the series My Hero Academia, or Boku no Hero Academia, Episode 1, Izuku Midoria, Origin. So, man, we just watched the first episode.
Mm-hmm.
It was a refresher for me, and there was a lot of things that I had forgotten about. One, I'd forgotten he was so whiny.
That's true, yeah, he is. I know this is one of those shows people have been telling me for a long time to watch. I'm like, I'll get to it, and, I'm finally watching it now. He seems like, since he doesn't have powers, he does cry a lot. He has that justice feeling, but it's, I'm just kind of like, just do something, don't cry about it. Try and figure out what you can do, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, okay, you had in your mind that, you want to be the best and try to do something. Don't listen to what other people say, especially Bakugo, because he's just angry. I mean, he started this whole series off angry, and he's, got someone to pick on, and Midoria is letting him.
Yeah.
And
it's kind of like your everyday bully, pretty much, Bakugo. Yeah. He's real rude, real egotistical. He, feels like he's the best about everything. So hopefully, for me, I haven't seen it yet, so I don't even know what happens, what Midoria has or anything. He can do something, you know what I mean? I felt like we'd... Sorry, excuse me.
It's okay.
Well, allergies. I felt like we'd see something from him, but I guess, he's still trying to find himself, so... Oh, excuse me. Oh, man. It's allergy season right now.
Oh, yeah, I know.
I took my medicine, but yeah, hopefully we see something more from him, like a tougher side, not just, crying all the time and wanting someone to feel sorry for him. So, him talking to All Might, asking him how to be a hero, I'm kind of like, okay, he's finally trying to get somewhere, sort of thing.
Yeah, I was surprised, really surprised that his idol he met already in the first episode. I figured it'd be like a couple episodes later or something other that he meets him, but no, he met him in the first episode, and they're showing a lot. They're showing his flashbacks to when he was a child and was told he wasn't gonna have any quirks, and now he met his hero and everything, and he's already run into some villains and stuff like that. So this is a lot, and his classmates and stuff. But the whining, I really dislike whiny guys in Japanese anime. I'm sorry to say that, but that just wrecks my nerves.
Yeah, seeing like them cry, I'm kind of like, all right, when he finally does what he needs to do, get his revenge, I feel like I'm like, all right, cool. It's like a breath of fresh air. Like maturity, he's finally maturing because he's still a kid.
Yeah, but you think they really act like that in Japan? I thought
I don't think
children in Japan were more disciplined or something.
Yeah, I don't think they act whiny like that. I think that's just for like the animes and stuff. But I like it so far. It's a good startup. The one thing that I have questions about is why All Might was bleeding from his mouth when they were flying, because he didn't get hit at all in the sword.
Right.
As soon as he was bleeding, he's like, oh, I gotta go. I'm like, can he, stay that strong just for that short period of time or what? That was kind of weird. Because, he didn't get hit at all or anything.
Right. He just grabbed the monster, punched the monster, and
jumps.
Put him in the bottle to take him to the police. So
some blood was dripping
you're
from
right.
his
But
mouth,
and they zoomed in on it too to make sure we saw that.
Maybe we see something in the next episode which tells us why
So there's maybe something with him. But so for the first time seeing this show, I think it's all right. The coloring was great. The sound was great. The characters seem to be good. You know, there seems to be some character development, definitely with Midoria. So I look forward to seeing that, you know, in the upcoming episodes, and hopefully he stops all that wine. He's got his notebook and stuff, you know, referred to the notebook.
Yeah.
You know, I was kind of geeky like that and kind of got bullied too, but I never went around crying a lot. You know, I was like, I'll get you kind of thing. But hopefully, you know, he'll get that way, but not so bad for the first episode.
Pretty good,
and anything. So, well, that's going to be about it. You got anything to add you want to add to it?
No, I think that was it for me. I mean, I liked it. I'm going to go watch the second episode.
Okay.
You know, I don't know if the series is over or not. But
I don't know. It's a couple of seasons.
Yeah, a couple of seasons.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll definitely be watching more and more of it just to see what he does. Because I feel like Midoriya has something in him. We just don't know it. You don't know how to tap into it, but it'd be really cool to see it. You know, get back at those mean people. And
I agree. Yeah, because I mean, the whole story seems to be focused around him. You know, so yeah, like most TV shows or movies or something, there's something about the person, you know, like you said, they have to develop or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, good first episode. And I guess that's going to wrap it up. Anything else you want to add to this?
No, I guess that's it for me.
Okay, well, thank you for watching. And if this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so that you don't miss another episode. Matane.